want to introduce you to our survival hatchet. And this is housed nicely and securely on your belt. And then the tool itself, very grippy handle, streamlined, lightweight, but very robust steel. Great for shelter building, making kindling, tinder. Got that 2-finger prong just on this that allows you great dexterity when you're operating it. All in all, this is a great survival tool to take with you into the wild. And normally hatchets or axes are heavy and cumbersome. This is lightweight and very efficient.
This is the Schrade SCX-5 Tactical Hatchet. The SCX-5 is sized as a light-duty, full-tang hatchet, perfect for emergency, survival, rescue, and tactical applications. The black powder-coated, quarter-inch thick SK-5 high-carbon steel tang provides exceptional strength, culminating in a 3.1-inch razor-sharp axe head. 6 steel bolts attach the glass-filled nylon fiber handle scales to the tang. These are dimpled and contoured to help provide a solid grip. The handle's ergonomic shape and size allows you to grip the hatchet at different handle locations, depending on the cutting task. Grip the lower portion of the handle for power strokes. Go with a high grip when you need greater control. Move your grip above the handle for slicing, such as making wood curls for fire-starting material. Penetration power is afforded by the SCX-5's pointed spike, angled for maximum impact. The hatchet's versatility increases as the tang extends through the handle to form an effective prying tool, complete with a nail pull notch. Holes in the tang provide cording options, and the slot serves as a valve wrench in emergency situations. Carry the hatchet at your side in the protective nylon fiber belt sheath with quick access snaps, or lash it to gear. A lightweight hatchet with an overall length of under 13 inches, designed with robust capability, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCX-5 Full Tang Tactical Hatchet.
When you're camping, an axe, a saw, and a hammer all come in handy. But why haul them all if you don't have to?
You can search the deepest corners of the forest and never find a tool as versatile as the 4-in-1 Woodsman by Zippo Outdoor. It's got the heft to drive stakes into hard ground and the leverage to pull them out again. The 4-in-1 Woodsman converts to a bow saw with a cam blade tensioner and a sheath that doubles as a comfortable, non-slip hand grip. And it changes back again, so you can make dry tinder to help start your campfires. The 4-in-1 Woodsman features a sheath that doubles as a saw handle, a set screw that's an integral part of the sheath, securely connecting the sheath to the axe blade and securing one end of the saw blade. It has a 5-inch full-tang axe head, a high-performance engineered polymer handle wrapped around a full metal shaft, with a 15-inch metal saw blade that stores inside the handle, a tent stake puller, and a stake driver. The 4-in-1 Woodsman. It's a handy camp tool. It's a survival tool. It's one tool that lets you leave 3 others at home.
This is the Schrade SCHF-28 Full Tang Fixed Blade Knife with an overall length of just over 14 inches. There's no job too big for the SCHF-28. This titanium-coated Titan features a drop-point, recurve blade forged from super tough, edge-holding 8CR13 Movi high-carbon stainless steel. Weighing in at a well-balanced 20.8 ounces, the SCHF-28 arrives seriously sharp and with the unrivaled strength of a full tang. With an appetite for chopping, the recurve design allows the blade's belly to penetrate deep into even the hardiest of hardwoods. Use the finger choil in conjunction with the jimping along the spine of the blade for controlled carving, such as making feather sticks to light a campfire. The textured, all-weather TPE handle slabs are well suited for the robust grip of the avid outdoorsman, with finger guard and hole promoting comfortable and safe all-day chopping. The handle offers a lanyard hole for attaching cordage. The SCHF 28 rides in a durable, multi-carry option thermoplastic belt sheath with grommet holes that allow essential gear, such as ferro rods, to be easily attached. A recurved drop point chopper ready to take on anything the backcountry cares to serve up, made from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF 28 full tang fixed blade knife.